So, good morning, everyone. Today,
Morning, ma'am.
good morning. Today, you are having revision test 7, and that is from history lesson number 1. So, I'm sharing my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Total
Yes, ma'am.
7 questions are there. Total 7 questions are there. Okay. You can start your test within 20 to 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. We'll discuss the questions. You can start the answers in writing in the rough notebook. First question: Marseillaise is a national anthem of. Okay, now almost everybody has completed the answers. One by
Yes,
one, you will raise your hand up or speak your name first. The one who will speak the name first will give the answer. Clear? So, first is first question.
Jayant,
Marseillaise is the national anthem of, yes, Jayavant.
Ma'am,
France,
Harshita.
Wait. First, Jayavant took the name. Yes,
France,
yes, France. Then next question. The Jacobins of
Jayant,
France. No, not Jayavant now. Next, another one. I'll give chance to another one also. The Jacobins of France were known
Naresh
as.
Chaudhary.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Naresh?
Harshita.
Okay, Naresh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, true.
true. Yes, everybody agree with this true?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next, now, Harshita. The
Ma'am,
term.
Nishika.
First, Harshita,
Ma'am,
I think.
Harshita.
Yes, the term old
Okay, ma'am.
regime. The term old regime refers to.
C. The Society and Institution of France after 1789. No, ma'am.
Okay, then next.
It's
Means,
B.
what will be the correct answer?
Ma'am, B.
Very good. Who said B?
Nishika.
Nishika. Okay. Yes, the answer will be B. It will be before 1789. Society and Institution of France before 1789 were termed as old regime. Was referred to as old regime. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Please, those who have
Yes,
marked
ma'am.
any other option, it is wrong. The correct option is B1. B. Then next is what is directory? What was directory?
Jayant,
Okay, Jayavant.
ma'am, Naresh. Ma'am, me or Naresh?
Jayavant took the name first.
Directory. What was directory?
Huh?
Directory was a committee of 5 members that governed France from 1795. It
Hmm.
was a committee which was appointed by the legislative body in France.
Hmm.
The committee consists of 5 members. It was also known as Directorate. It was founded on 2nd November 1795, and abolished on 10th November 1799 when it had been overthrown by the Napoleon in coup of 18 Brumaire. It was then replaced by the France consulate.
Okay, fine. But it is just 1 mark answer. You can little shorten the answer. Yes, a little bit in short.
मैंने मार्क्स नहीं देखे थे मैंने लिख दिया बस
No problem, no problem. The answer should be correct. No problem. You have written the means you have elaborate the answer, but then also you will get 1 mark only whether you have elaborate or but the mark it should be that full question answer should be there. Answer
ma'am.
should be there. Full. Okay. Yes. The clear explanation should be there. Whatever you write. Anybody else who can explain the directory in short?
Priyal,
Yes. Yes, Priyal.
directory was an directory was an executive body of 5 members.
Hmm.
Directory was appointed by 2 elected legislative councils.
Hmm. Okay. Now, clear? Now
Yes, ma'am.
next is
Ma'am,
describe the
Nishika?
Nishika. Describe the events that took place 14th July 1789 in France. Yes. Yes, Nishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
On morning of 14th July 1789,
Ma'am,
Hmm.
the
may
city
I
of
tell the
Paris.
answer of fifth?
Beta Nishika is already speaking out. Nishika is already giving. Yes, Nishika, continue.
On the morning of 14th July 1789, the city of Paris was in great tension
Hmm.
because the king had ordered his troops to move into the city, and the rumors were spread that the king will soon give orders to his troops to open fire upon the citizens.
Yes.
Nearly 7,000 men and women gathered in front of town hall and decided to form a people's army.
Hmm.
They started looting the government building
Hmm.
because they were in need of arms and ammunition.
Yes, good.
A group of several people marched towards the fortress prison
Hmm.
called Bastille
Bastille. Yes, good.
and take away all the ammunitions, and
Hmm.
in fight the commander of Bastille was killed
Hmm.
and all the prisoners were released.
Good.
That time only 7 prisoners were there,
Hmm.
and people of Paris used to hate Bastille because it is the symbol of the despotic power of the fortress.
Good, good, good. Good. So these were the events that took place on 14th July 1789 in France. That and the last point you can write down that the fortress prison of Bastille was stormed by hundred of people with the hope of finding hoarded ammunition, and Bastille was destroyed completely, and it was hated by all. Good. Now, next question,
Yes.
explain the features. Before we continue the questions, please write once again present in the chat box. In the meanwhile, we'll continue the discussion also. Those who are present, please type present in the chat box once again. Yes, explain the features of Constitution of France drafted in 1791.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, name.
Harshita.
Okay, Harshita.
The main features of the Constitution of 1791 are given. France became a constitutional monarchy. The powers of the king were reduced to a great extent.
Hmm.
Second, these powers, instead of being concentrated in the hands of one person, were now separated and assigned to different institution legislature,
Good.
executive and judiciary.
Good.
This made France a constitutional monarchy.
Hmm.
Third, the Constitution of 1791 vested in the power to make laws in the National Assembly, which was indirectly elected. That
Good.
is, citizens vote for a group of electors
Hmm.
who in turn choose the assembly.
Hmm.
Fourth, only men above 25 years of age who
Hmm.
paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of a laborer's wage were given the right to vote.
Good.
It means they were active citizens.
Good.
The remaining men and all women were classed as passive citizens.
Good.
Fifth, to qualify as an elector and then as a member of the assembly, a man had to belong to the highest bracket of taxpayers.
Hmm.
Sixth, the Constitution began with a declaration of the rights of man and citizen.
Good.
Rights such as the right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before law now could be availed by each human being by birth.
Good. Good. Very good. Okay, fine. Now, last question remaining. List
And
down any
Ma'am
Jaimin,
Nishika?
ma'am
Ma'am
Naresh,
Nishika?
both of you one after another. Clear? First, speak out one. Who is speaking?
and
Gives a
Jaimin,
name. Okay,
Ma'am
Jayavant
Nishika?
first.
and first scepter, symbol of royal power.
First.
Scepter, symbol
Uh-huh.
of royal power.
Okay. Next, Nishika, next
Ma'am
you speak out.
Nishika?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The blue, white, red. These
Yes.
are the national colors of France.
Good. Anything else? Anybody else want to
Ma'am,
speak about
Ma'am, may
anything?
I?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Naresh.
Yes, Naresh.
Snake biting its tail to form a ring. It stands for
Hi, Naresh.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, speak out. Your voice is not clear. It's breaking. Yes, Naresh.
Snake
Hello.
biting its tail to
Snake biting its tail to form a ring. After that, it is a symbol of.
it stands for eternity.
Very good. Good. Next, anybody else?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
S- Speak out the name. And yes,
Harshita.
yes, Harshita.
A bundle of rods, it stands for unity.
Yes, strength lies in
And
unity. Yes, next.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the Nishika.
Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am,
Speak out.
the winged woman.
Yes, winged woman.
Personification of the law.
Yes, personification of the law.
Ma'am Javant,
Yes, Jayavant.
ma'am, the eye within a triangle radiating light. It
Yes.
stands for knowledge.
Good. Stands for
Ma'am, I
knowledge.
have one more.
Yes.
Ma'am, one more.
A
I have.
broken chain. It
Hmm.
stands for freedom.
Okay. Now another one. One more is remaining.
The law tablet.
Yes, a law tablet. What is about it?
The law.
Hmm.
The law is same for all and all are equal before it.
Yes, good. One more is remaining. One about the cap. About a cap. Red Phrygian cap. It was worn by slaves when they were freed. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I think
Yes,
most
ma'am.
of you, everybody has typed present in the chat box. So these were the
Yes,
political
ma'am.
symbols of the France. Tomorrow you are not going to have your SST live classes. Monday you are having half yearly full course revision test on Monday, that
Okay,
is of
ma'am.
12th. Timing I will give it to you in group. Clear? So
Okay,
after
ma'am.
typing present,
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am.
uh, after typing present, you can leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Okay, bye.